Another episode of threat hunting through Hunt.io platform. So actually in this episode we are focusing on malicious open directories. So open directories is publicly visible folders or subfolders that hosted on a web server. So if you have the address, you can easily try to trip and take a journey inside the files and the malicious files inside this open directories. So actually, threat actors from time to time using open directories to store additional stages of their payloads. For example, you have a sorry, you have a PowerShell file, and this PowerShell file trying to download additional stages of the file. For example, you are trying to deploy a first reverse SSH and downloading a real payload, a real shellcode to infect the computer. After a while, it could be detected by EDR, NDR, XDR, or any kind of the traditional or modern antiviruses. So actually, the open directories that could be for hosting additional unknown stages and fully undetectable, an attacker trying to deploy it again because actually it have a backdoor inside the server or inside the organization. So actually in here you can try to search for codes, host names, file, malware name, country, and label and tags. And here you can try to find a Cobalt Streak, Aquitix, Mirai, GoFish, and Cobalt Streak, but still unverified. So in a by Sandbox malware, so Metasploit, Asyngrad, Mirai, Coin Miner, and actually by a GitHub project. So actually, when we're trying to search it, we have a by top hosting company, hosting providers like a Microsoft Azure, Amazon, and DigitalOcean, and Tencent, and so on, or Cloudflare. And here's that's a new open directories. So click show all, and it provide all of the results that available. And actually, you can try to do by country. For example, each countries have a lot of open directories. So actually, we're trying to new open directories, all open directories, and start show all, and then trying to find something interesting that available. For example, so it's a obfuscated reverse shell. If you just click a one, and it provide all of the information. So actually, it's a IP address, you can reach it out, a size subdirectory, so GEL reverse shell, and that's a GEL reverse shell file. So you can just click search and get information. So writing payload is, and so encoded in some way, maybe a ROT13, XOR, base64, and sometimes a custom encryption algorithm. So actually, you can try to survive and deploy to another analysis of this open directories. For example, we have this one. If you look, we have this debug view, and this batch script. It looks like interesting to us. Let's see what's happened. Oh, that's start executing. Let's back and try to find something more interesting. This one from Argentina, and let's see what's inside it. Oh, good. So actually, it's contain a PHP code. It's test.php. Let's see what we have. It could be like a panel. So it could be like a panel of this payload. Oh, that's any disk. So work like a team viewer if you're familiar with it. And let's test another one. Let's see what additional file that we have it. So this one is the A. So that's a CSR file, av.csr. So that's a malicious LNK, explore.exe, and see what's inside it. So that's a target. It execute this photo.csr. If you just click to view, actually it provides the mz, because the csr file actually it's a mz. Let's go and find another stuff that's a little bit interesting to us and this open directory. Okay, so Win32 disk manager, and good. HP advanced password recovery. Oh, good. So that's a shell script. Oh, good. Linux routing. That's very good. And actually, you can try by yourself to find additional and interesting stuffs out there, and you can just click this one and trying to find another stuff that's interesting. For example, knconfig.php. You can just click search and get the code. So actually, the open directories, you can try to filter it with the by countries, because all open directories and countries, for example, Germany, and trying to open this one and temp folders and MSI. So this one and Autis. Oh, it have actually dozen of the payloaders that available out of this. So that's hosted on Amazon Web Service, AWS. So it's a could be installer.py. So actually, let's click it. It need a admin privilege. So actually, you have to click admin privilege. So it's trying to download the LSAS. Okay, the lsas.exe. So lsas.exe is a process that contain the all story traditional and so on. So this one trying to add this lsas to exclusion folders in the Windows Defender. So if executable files could add it to exclusion, it not be scanned by Windows Defender or any antivirus. That's why from here require as admin. So in a HTA file, we have the same thing, wscript and upname, bash launcher, Windows state, and so on. So actually, it run C Windows launcher.bat. It could be when installing. It start drop launcher.bat, and launcher.bat start to execute mishta that's using for executing HTA file, and run as it could be run as admin, get admin, or could be additional stages to bypasses UAC. Okay. User access control, that's a LSAS, and it's for 64 architecture. So actually Hand.io platform is a great one to start conducting your analysis and finding more stuff that interested for your daily analysis. Bye bye.